Hi, welcome to Opto Engineering's Tech Insights. Telecentric lenses, with their precision and versatility, play a crucial role in many applications within the machine vision industry. Let's explore some of the most common uses where telecentric lenses excel. One of the most common applications is the measurement of precision mechanical parts. In industries like automotive manufacturing, telecentric lenses ensure the accurate measurement of components such as shafts, valves, pistons, and engine parts. This warrants accurate dimensional check inline and offline applications. When using milling and turning machine tools, the industry relies on specific gauging devices called tool presetters that utilize small telecentric lenses and collimated sources for precise measurement. In industries dealing with rubber sealings, O-rings, and plastic caps, telecentric lenses shine in non-contact optical measurement techniques. These lenses are essential for maintaining the integrity of delicate components without altering their shape. But the applications don't stop there. In machine vision, there are unlimited possibilities when checking quality and providing accurate measurements to eliminate defective products in everyday applications. Next time, we will delve into several additional pivotal applications we commonly encountered in today's industry. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.